Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make images that changes on click in Framer using variants without writing a single line of code. The original design is from this website. I'm just recreating it in Framer. I'll drop the link in the description along with the free remix link for this project. I'm Imran from Cycloto and let's get started. Create a project, go to layers, desktop, click this layer to make it stack, then press F on keyboard to add a frame. Set the width, fill, height, viewport, 100 VH, make it layout. Right click on it, create component, name it slider. Inside this, again draw a frame, set the width, fill, height, leave it like this, we'll change it later, make it layout, name it image and text, and inside it, draw another frame, make it layout, width, fill, name it image, set the height, viewport 100 VH. Inside this, draw another frame, width, relative 100%, height 100%, relative. Click this fill, image, and upload our image. Next, click here and duplicate this layer by pressing Ctrl+D. Remove the image, name it text content, width, make it 0.6 fraction. Scroll down, remove its fill color. Also here. And finally, here, change the fill color to white. Next, click this image and text. Height, make it fit content and remove the gap to 0. Now click here, press T on your keyboard to add text, type this text. Then add our preview image, drop it here, select all and drop it here, set the width 60 and then again select them and wrap them in a stack by pressing Ctrl Alt Enter. Name it color, width, fit content, add stack, name it beige. As for this, then drop it here, select them, width, fit content, scroll down, border, add a border and then add some radius 10, padding 5. Now select these two, scroll down, border, color and make the opacity 0. Finally click this layer, reduction, vertical, and now collapse it. Click here, press down arrow on your keyboard to position it at the bottom like this. Click here again, align, start, add some left padding 40. Then duplicate this by pressing Ctrl+D, position it at the bottom, change the name to, again duplicate this, position it here, click here, delete this, then update the image. Also rename this variant 1 to light, the base type is cone and the color is beige. Add text, type this text, C dimension, change the color to white, again reduce it and now draw a frame, set the width 30, height 15, make it round, change the name to icon, click this layer to make it stack, scroll down, fill, reduce the opacity to 50. Inside this, draw a frame again, width 15, height 15, make it round, change the color to white. Then click here, distribute, start, select both, add stack, name it toggle, select it and drop it here. Change the position type to absolute, align it left 30, also bottom 30. Now click here and create 5 more variants. Go to the second variant, this variant, click here, image, and change the image to this image. Also here, update the text to pink. As for this, select the parent layer, border, make it 0, and for this, make it 100. Also change the name to lightcon pink. Repeat the process here. As for this, change the name to light cylinder beige, base type cylinder, and then click here, upload this image. Also here, make it 0. As for this, make it 100. We need to update the text here. So the easy method is update the primary variant, name it base type, then for this cone, and for this cylinder, click here, image, color pink, as for this, click here, image, upload this image, color khaki, next let's create for the dark version. Click here and here, upload this image, change the name to dark on beige, then click here, this icon, distribute, ind, color beige, click here, increase the opacity to 100, and for this 0. Also here, make it 0, for this 100. Again duplicate this 5 more times. Then update the text, repeat the same process. As for this cone, opacity 0, for this opacity 100. Need to fix this here also. Alright, it's done. Now let's add the interaction. It's pretty simple. We just connect each color to its matching variant. For this, select the parent layer, this layer, click this icon and drop it itself. As for the second one, click here, drop it here, and finally for this, drop it to the third one. You can also add interaction from here, new transition, click set variant, light cylinder beige, and finally for this, click here, this icon, interaction, new transition, set variant, dark cone beige. As for the second one, select the parent layer, it's already connected. For this, drop it here, and finally for this, it's also connected. As for this, drop it itself, also here. For this, click here, light cylinder pink. Finally for the toggle, dark cone pink. Repeat this process. For example, change it to dark cone khaki. For this light cylinder beige, so change it to dark cylinder bead, drop it here. For the second, we can drop it here. For the last variant, light cone bead, which is already selected, and for this, drop it itself. As for this, drop it here. Finally, here. For the dark variant, again select it and change the dark cone to light cone. As for this, drop it here. For the second, drop it to the second variant. Finally, for the third, we can change to dark cylinder bead. As for this, light cone pink. Select dark cylinder pink. For this, light cone. Light cylinder bead. For this, drop it itself. Change it to light cylinder pink. Done. Now let's give it a preview to see how it looks. Pink, then khaki. Yes, it's working. As for cylinder, pink, bead. Yes, it's working. And let's see the dark version. Khaki. We have some issue here, so we need to fix it. Double click on it and go to the last variant. Actually, we need to change the image. Also, click here, change the light variant to dark cone. Now let's see is everything is working fine or not. This is the dark variant. Yes, everything looks perfect. Make sure to spend a little extra time to refine everything. Since there are quite few variants to check, it's totally normal for small mistakes to slip through during the process. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have made it this far, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video inshallah.